after their win. Now, who will be Chief Minister in Maharashtra? Who will be backing them? Now, two CM candidates were seen together in Maharashtra today in the BJP office. But of course, we're talking about Devendra Fadnavis and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, who many say was seen to have been flexing his muscles with all his supporting MLAs recently. However, when NDTV spoke with them today, Nitin Gadkari said he wasn't in the race.
मैंने पहले ही जाहिर किया है कि मैं महाराष्ट्र में आना नहीं चाहता, मैं दिल्ली में खुश हूं। हमारी पार्टी और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड, प्रधानमंत्री जी और अध्यक्ष इसके बारे में उचित फैसला करेंगे। जहां तक मेरा सवाल है, मैं कोई मुख्यमंत्री बनने के रेस में हूं नहीं, ना मैंने कोई इच्छा व्यक्त की है।
Right now the leaders here, as these pictures tell you, trying to send out a message to the media that they're together and that there is no battle of egos or what has been described has been reported, but clearly it seems that Mr. Fadnavis and Mr. Gadkari now sharing some meeting together at the party office here. Of course, they will also be conducting the annual Lakshmi Puja, which is a ritual here at this BJP party office. And for now, it seems that Mr. Gadkari is actually not in the race for CM, as he says, and also saying that Mr. Fadnavis is someone whom he's seen grow as a leader, and also maintaining the fact that Mr. Gadkari and Mr. Fadnavis, both leaders from Vidarbha, have no differences between themselves. So pictures here actually indicating that there seems to be a truce, at least for the television crews, and you can see Mr. Gadkari and Mr. Fadnavis sitting together in the BJP party office here, and of course discussing the next move. Government formation now for the BJP, the most important thing, and who will be the allies on board. All of those issues will be discussed here between Mr. Gadkari and Mr. Fadnavis, both of them leaders from Vidarbha. And of course, now Mr. Gadkari says that it was only party MLAs who came to meet him, it was not a show of strength, and that he and Mr. Fadnavis have no differences whatsoever. With camera person Praveen Ji Rohit in Nagpur, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
हमारे बीच में कोई अंतर नहीं है। यहाँ तक मेरी बात है, 10 बार बता चुका हूँ कि मैं दिल्ली में खुश हूँ, मुझे महाराष्ट्र में आने का कोई कारण नहीं है। महाराष्ट्र के कुछ लोगों ने अपनी इच्छा प्रकट की, उनको करने का उन्होंने किया है,
कोई भी चीज पे आप जिसका नाम सामने करेंगे वो बहुत अहम रहेगा।
देखिए, इसका पहली बात तो ऐसी है कि इसका निर्णय प्रधानमंत्री, पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड और ये जो निरीक्षण लोकतांत्रिक पद्धति से करेंगे। कोई बात अगर मुझे कहनी तो देवेंद्र से मैं तुरंत उसको अधिकार से बोल सकता हूँ ऐसा मत करो। इसलिए हमारे बीच में कोई मनमुटाव नहीं, कोई स्पर्धा नहीं, कोई किसने जाना चाहिए इसके बारे में कोई ये नहीं है।